Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TiESFONG M10 Max 2K 1440p dashcam. The M10 4-channel of TiESFONG is the first in the industry to share a chip for 4 lenses to operate stably. The 2K M10 Max is an upgrade to the resolution of the main cam, front cam, from the M10. The resolution of 2K Max 4-channel can reach 2K 1440p plus 3 times 1080p when it recording at the same time, and all 4-channel can be displayed on the main frame at the same time. Multiple angle camera provides more comprehensive security for your car. The 2K M10 Max 4-channel offer the latest built-in highly sensitive night vision image sensor, which will automatically compensate for light, dark spots and balances exposure, makes all scene details are recorded vividly. Even in low night conditions, it capture clear videos and photos in your driving or parking moment. Number 2. Upgrade AZDOME M550 Pro Car DVR Dashcam. AZDOME M550 Pro Dashcam 2023 new design with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. 5.8 GHz transmission speed is 4.6 times that of 2.4 GHz. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows user to download 800 megabits video within 10 seconds. Collision detection parking mode. G-sensor could detect collision and lock the video. Time-lapse parking mode. Dashcam could record continuously for 24 hours. M550 Pro Dashcam delivers super night vision. Dashcam backs with Novatec 8629G processor, SC401 AI, GEC 2053 and SC223A sensor. Night vision dashcam could clearly record day and night environment. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. M550 Pro dash camera provides evidence during emergencies. Car camera could completely record the driving route data. Number 3. 70 MEI A810 Ultra 4K Dashcam. The A810 delivers improved front 4K, thanks to Sony's latest StarVis 2MX678 CMOS sensor, which demonstrates sensitivity beyond the human eye as well as outstanding low noise characteristics. The 1.8 sensor doubles the low light performance. Front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR gives maximum coverage of the road, providing superior image clarity, enhanced color accuracy, and a significantly improved balance of exposure levels. F1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to ensure well-illuminated recordings in the dark. Exclusive 70 MEI Night Owl Vision improves night footage, achieving better clarity, exposure balance, color saturation and light glare control. 60 FPS high frame rate effectively prevents motion blur. Capture fleeting details on the road during high-speed driving, with advanced AI motion detection algorithm. The A810 is able to identify suspicious human activities around the parked car, and activates recording automatically. Number 4. VIOFO A129 Plus Duo Car DVR Dashcam. A129 Plus Duo Dashcam is the upgraded version of A129 Duo. Front and rear dash camera shots road ahead at 2560 times 1440p 60 fps and road behind at 1080p 30 fps at the same time. Much more details can be easily captured, including license plate and signpost. 140 degrees wide angle is enough to cover the whole road and will not distort the image. Both front and rear cameras are loaded with super high quality Sony sensors, providing a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night. HDR high dynamic range. function can automatically balance the lighting at over bright and over dark areas and capture clear license plate even under strong car lights at night. You can connect the A129 Plus Duo dash camera to VIOFO app through built-in Wi-Fi. Easy to preview and download the video, change settings of the camera. With GPS logger, this car dash camera can log the current speed and GPS location. Also automatically correct the time by synchronizing with the satellite. Timestamp can be embedded in the video. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen in km, h or mph. A 129 plus duo dash cams for cars has 3 parking mode solutions. Auto event detection will automatically start recording once any event is detected. Time-lapse continuously records a video at low frames like 1/2/3/5/10/15 fps. Low bitrate keeps recording continuously in mini file size. Reduce a little video quality will help to save card space and can record longer time in parking mode. Number 5. AZDOME M660 dashcam. The M660 dashcam is the first 4-channel dashcam that can record front, left, right and rear 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p simultaneously and provides 360-degree all-round protection. The M660 car camera has a smart voice control function. You can quickly start or stop recording via voice commands to ensure important moments are not missed. This makes using the dashcam more intuitive and safer, bringing more convenience while driving. The AZDOME dashcam M660 features advanced Travis sensor and rear lights, providing exceptional clarity even in total darkness, ensuring that every moment is captured in high definition. With wide dynamic range, WDR, the M660 effectively balances bright and dark lighting conditions, allowing for crystal clear recordings in various environments, ensuring nothing is missed during your journey. With a faster 5G Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone, 4 times fast,